Let's make some croutons for soups, salads, or whenever you just want a crunchy snack. To the ingredients. 1 French baguette, cut into 1-inch cubes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a baking tray with some nonstick cooking spray, or grease it. And then add your cubed baguette to the tray. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic salt, tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half a tablespoon of red crushed pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you give this a good mix. Drizzle your olive oil seasoning all over your croutons and then give them a toss to make sure everybody's coated in that. Then take some more olive oil and drizzle generously all over and give it another toss. Now into the oven for 16 to 18 minutes, flipping your croutons 1 to 2 times during the baking process to ensure that they get super crispy. Croutons, just like that. You better go make them. They're so good.